Hello, class. All right, we have a new lesson in ratios, and today we're going to be looking at concert tickets, and we're going to be seeing uh, if people paid at the same rate, if they basically paid the same thing per ticket. Okay, and so we see in this situation, Diego paid $47 for 3 tickets to a concert. Andre paid $141 for 9 tickets to a concert. Okay, so one thing that you can always do here that will help you to figure this out is to figure out the price per ticket. So that is something that you can do here. That would involve you taking the $47 for Diego and dividing it by 3, and taking 141 and dividing it by 9. Okay, you could do that, and you can compare the rate per ticket. Sometimes, though, there's another way. There are other ways that would be a little bit easier, actually. If you look at it here, 47 divided by 3, I know that's not going to give me a whole number. I'm going to end up having a mixed number or a decimal involved. And that might be a little bit tricky for some of you. So you want to look for other ways that might make the problem easier. This is always a good idea, no matter what you're working on. And in this case here, I noticed that Diego got 3 tickets for this much money. Andre got 9 tickets. And so a little alarm bell can kind of sound in my mind saying, wait, if I know what he paid for 3, it's going to be really easy to figure out what he paid for 9, because all I've got to do is figure out how do we go from 3 tickets to 9 tickets. Well, I know that if I just multiply this by 3, I get to 9 tickets. So I can multiply this by 3 as well. Right? So we can take 47 and we can multiply that times 3. And that's going to give us what Diego would pay for 9 tickets at the rate that he got them for. So 7 times 3, that's 21. And then 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. So we get 141. Oh boy, look at this. Diego would have paid $141 for 9 tickets, just as Andre paid $141 for 9 tickets. So they actually paid at the same rate. They did. Okay, you can draw a double number line here as well. Or you could, like we said, we could divide 47 divided by 3. 47 divided by 3 is going to be 15 and 2/3. And so in dollars and cents, it's going to be $15 and 2/3 of a dollar. 2/3 of a dollar, we can call that 67 cents, but it's really 0.666 repeating, right? And then 141 divided by 9, you can see it's going to end up being the same thing, because we know that they paid the same rate. So this is just an example where, even though we do want you to be comfortable finding the rate for one ticket, sometimes there's an even easier way depending on the numbers and the situation. All right.